How to fill out your earned income. At the top of the page, answer the question regarding household income received from an employer or your own business. If you select yes, click on Add Income Source to add a job that is not listed below. In the pop-up, enter employer or company name, address, city, state, and zip code. If you are self-employed, please select the box. Next, answer the question about expected income in 2025. Please click on the question in blue if you need additional clarification on determining if your self-employment income is expected to be the same. Select yes or no. If you select yes, please input how much you expect to earn from self-employment income. Select Add Income. If you select No, please tell us about your expected self-employment income. To get started, tell us about the last 3 months of actual business income and expenses from this year. Please note, if this does not represent your income for the current year, tell us about your estimated income and expenses for the first 3 months of 2024. Once you input this income, it will be used to calculate your projected yearly income. In the drop-down, select a specific month in month 1, 2, and 3. Following that, input your gross sales, rent received, royalties received, and inventory purchases for each month if applicable. Once the information is inputted for each month, your projected income will automatically appear in the box below. Please note, if you have any other income or deductions not related to your business, you don't need to include this information here. You will enter this information in the Additional Income or Deduction section of the application. Select Add Income. If you had more than one employer, please select Add Income Source and then follow the steps we've previously outlined in this tutorial. If not, select Next. Up next, check out our how-to tutorial to learn how to report your earned benefits income in your application.